Anyway, I'm back with my Thredup box. Now, while I was transferring the video over to my computer, I have to admit, I did look at some things. I had to untangle that. Isn't that just a really, really spectacularly pretty necklace? These beads are glass beads. This looks like abalone, but it's not. And look, the tiles inside these, they like, here, I can't do it where you can see it. They like spin. See? They spin around. Awesome. Awesome necklace. I also found this necklace and I was just looking it up. It's on a chain that's gold tone chain. Let's see if it's magnetic. And it's not. And it has the mark on it, on this little part of it. Little part. Right there. It has on there GHR. I looked, wait a minute. I'm sorry, GMR. No, GHR. GHR, I was right. Second guess myself. And some people online are saying that means it's gold filled, and other people are saying no, it doesn't mean it's gold filled. It's 10 karat gold. So, I don't know. I don't have a gold testing kit. And I have to admit, I found this necklace, and guess what? It has a tag on it, and it's silver 925. I will test it with acid to make sure. It is saying on it that it is 925 silver, and then it's got this little mark on it, which I'm not sure what that, if you guys can, woo, over see what that mark is. I don't know if that's a jewelry mark that is a certain company. If you guys know, let me know down in the comments. Okay, what else did I find? I found the matching earring. These are matched up. Mated up, I should say. So are these. Then I found this one, which I hope I found the other one. Isn't this pretty? Reminds me of like a mosaic. I love mosaics. Okay, now we can start. Oh, and I found this, and I'm not sure what this is. To me, I thought, okay, it's a bracelet. That's supposed to be Napoleon on there. But it's still got a tag on it that says it was $24. And it says boot strap. I looked it up. Is it to put around your boot? Like if you have boots? Like knee-high boots? I don't know. But we found silver! So let's continue. This is how much we have left in our bag. Ooh, found a couple of stud earrings. One is a whacked out clown, which we're not keeping because it looks creepy. Okay. Okay, it looks like I found some mates here, some earrings. They're French hooks and they're hanging off everything. Sometimes you just wonder how some of this stuff gets tangled. Okay, so we found this other hoop earring that is silver tone, and it's a leaf going all the way around. Now these were not magnetic. We might test those for silver too, but I don't think they're silver. A lot of times, when I don't think something's silver, it turns out to be silver. So what do we have here? Here's another one of those bracelets. Like those other ones, I'm going to put it in with those other ones. And that little gauze bag. Where'd that go? Over here, it goes with that. They're kind of like Indian jewelry, like from India. Sorry you have to look at me while I do this. See, if you were looking at my hands, you'd be seeing jewelry right now. Here is an earring. It looks like a leaf, and we do have the mate to it. I just have to get it undone. There's the mate to it. Really pretty. Filigree. Haha, fancy with the words. Fancy dancy. And we've got a mess. We've just got, oh, I see a teapot. No, it was backwards. It's not a teapot. Never mind. I see some earrings that are mated up. Okay, this is a mess. I'm gonna deal with this later. Let's dig back in our bag. I'm sad that this bag is broke because I saved these bags and reuse them. Actually, why wouldn't I? I'm the frugal gal. I am the frugal gal. We found this earring. And I just found the mate to it, so. And there's two earrings on here that have mates to them. And it looks like we've got a little anklet. But this is what I wrote. Okay, that fell off. That is an anklet. You could shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Never shimmied in my life. I'm not a shimmier. There's that. Here is another earring that I pulled out. I found the mate. So awesome. Oh, this just says 18 karat. That's an 18 karat chain? Well, hey, guys, if you would like to buy me a gift, you can go buy me some gold testing acid and ship it to my P.O. box. I just need to buy some, but I'm too frugal. Help support your local The Frugal Gal.